His name is Emmanuel Gyamfi. I just want to find out what birthed this song. You've talked about what the song is going to do for the consumer, but for you, really, how did the making happen?
It was a dream.
Oh.
I got the song in a dream. I think during the COVID time. So I believe that during that time, I mean, a lot of people got closer to God. And I think God was speaking to his people, you know. So I slept one day, I just got the song. Normally, I get some songs in a dream. So with this one, I couldn't forget. Wow. Immediately I woke up, like in a dream, I saw myself singing it to a huge congregation, like a number of people, like huge, like convention.
Right.
I was singing, and we singing with one of my friends, and on stage, and I woke up and I recorded it, and it took me at least a year and a half.
Wow.
Before, like, you know, getting the full song. So I got the chorus as well. And then the first one, then cry now, all of that was just in a dream. Okay. So I got all of that and I tried to put all of that together. So I put that together and then the chorus. But with the bridge, as I was writing it, I was getting the inspiration from God to, you know, add a few bit more. And then I sent it to my producer, and then with my band as well in the UK, and for the event, my singers, all of that. We all come together, we came together, and then
we made it happen.
Yeah, we made it happen, and everything you hear was just them. It was the ideas, all of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, you are blessed with a team, man, especially away from home.
Amazing team.
You know, it's not that easy to have that kind of squad to, you know, put stuff together. So I really know for sure that you are amongst the blessed ones, the blessed few.
We thank God.
This is Footprint TV, your ultimate Christian entertainment TV channel. Footprint TV.